Good day to everyone. Let's have a review about CVC pattern. What do you mean by CVC pattern? CVC pattern means CVC means C stands for consonant, V for vowel, C for consonant. Examples are bag, bag, hit, got, mud. Today we're going to learn about the short vowel sound of CVC pattern of A, E, I, O, U. Here are the short vowel sound of A. Cat, bat, hat, mat, bag, rat. Now let us read the short vowel of A. Bag, bat, can, cat, dad, had, hum, hat, fun, jump, love, man, mop, knob, pan, ran, sat, tug, tan, van. Now it's your turn to read. Now, here are the short vowel sound of E. Bed, hen, egg, jet, net, pen, I'll read it first, the short vowel sound of E, then you're going to read after me. Bed, beg, egg, elf, hen, gem, leg, man, met, meg, net, pen, peg, seg, set, tan. It's your turn to read. Here are some examples of the short vowel sound of I. Let us read it. Kit, pin, pig, sip, sit, wig, I'll read it first, the short vowel sound of I, then you're going to read after me. Big, bit, dig, dip, him, hit, kit, lip, pin, pit, nip, sip, sit, tin, tip, wit. Now it's your turn to read. Here are the short vowel sound of O. Boy, dog, fox, lug, pat, top. Now I'm going to read first the short vowel sound of O, then you're going to read after me. Boy, bot, dot, hog, hop, hot, fox, log, lot, mop, mot, knob, nut, pot, top, toy. Now it's time for you to read. Are you ready? Good luck. Let us read the short vowel sound of U. The sound of U is O. Let us read it. Bus. The next word is hat. None. Rub. Run. Tub. I'll read it first, the short vowel sound of U, then you're going to read after me. Bug, butt, cut, hog, hum, hot, jug, none, nut, pug, put, rub, rug, run, sug, sun. Are you ready to read? It's time for you to read. Good luck. Now let us answer some exercises. Write the missing vowel sound on the blank. Write your answer in your paper. Good luck! Say the name of the following pictures having the CVC pattern. Always remember that we have 5 vowel letters. These are A, E, I, O, U. CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. These are the CVC pattern. Write the name of the following pictures. Write your answer in your paper. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.